Welcome to 7th class. Dear students, I am the science teacher. Today I am going to explain you the introduction of the science. How many lessons we have and what is the syllabus and which syllabus we are going to discuss. All these are now I am going to tell you. Okay, we have the totally 17 lessons in 7th class. Okay, 17 lessons. Totally 17 lessons. How many lessons we have? And what are the uses of those lessons? Today I will give some introduction to you. You just listen carefully. The first lesson is food components. Already you learned in the 6th class food items. What are the food items we are having and what are the use of food? And here also the food components. What are the components we have? Carbohydrates, minerals, vitamins, like this. We all learn this in this lesson, food components. And the next coming lesson is acids and bases. You know acids and bases, everyone know. Acid, you know, but what is the formation of acids and bases? What are the uses of acids and bases? We are going to learn in this lesson. And next one is animal fiber. You know fiber. Fiber means cloth. So how we are getting the cloth, and we are going to learn in this lesson animal fiber. How many types of cloths we have and how we will get all those. I will explain you in this lesson animal fiber. The next lesson is motion and time. This is going to related to our physical activities, motion and time. We are walking, running, whatever things are we are moving. Movement is which object is having the movement, it is called the motion. So here motion and the time, and within time the object is completing its motion, it is called the time. So motion and time. In this lesson we are going to learn how many types of motions we have, in which type of motion is helpful to use in which area. So these are all topics are learned in this motion and time. The next one is temperature and measurements. We know all temperature, and we using the clinical thermometer and laboratory thermometer, where we use what are the uses and which thermometer is helpful, how it is working, all those learning in this lesson, temperature and its measurements. And the next weather and climate. The difference is between weather and climate is too much. So weather is every day, day by day, changing the temperature and changing the temperature and whatever activities, it is called weather. And climate is 24 years it will take. Okay, suppose if it is rainy season, so it will continue up to 25 years, that is called the climate. So weather and climate, what are the differences between both, we are learning in this lesson. Next, electricity. We all know the electricity, what are the important of electricity and how we have to use that electricity. So all the things are we learn in the electricity. And the next, air, winds and cyclones. Air, we know the air and wind and cyclones. What are the differences between air, winds and cyclones, and how to measure it, how they will inform to us. These all topics learn in this lesson, air, winds and cyclones. Reflection of light. What is the use of light? How we are using, how we are going to measure the light. These all topics we are going to learn in this reflection of light. Next, nutrition in plants. This lesson is important to everyone because all animals and human beings all depends upon the plants only, because plant only making the food to give all the human beings or animals. So the in plants we will get the all nutrients. Next, respiration in organisms. We are breathing, breathe out, and the process is called the respiration. And the respiration in organisms, how we will take in all animals, where the different process is going, respiration in organisms in animals and human beings. The topics are learning the respiration in organisms. Next, reproduction in plants. Plants, reproduction. Already we know living things are give the reproduction. So that is called, plants also gives the reproduction. These topics are learned in this reproduction in plants. Next, seed dispersal. So already we know the seeds. How sometimes we are going in anywhere like roads and walking somewhere we are going to, there we can see some type of different plants we can see there, we can observe there. So who planted those trees there? So in some areas the people cannot walk, cannot run, but some their places. So the seed dispersal means the air, winds, the passes seeds, and their production will happen. Next, water. Water also is very important, and how to use the water, how we have to save the water, we can learn in this lesson. Next, soil, our life, and we know the soil, importance of the soil. Without soil we can't build our life. And the forest also, all the things, products, whatever products we are taking, food items, either cosmetics, anything, okay, we are getting from the forest. So forest, our life. And the last lesson is changes around us. This is very important. We are seeing so many changes around us, and we are observing so many changes in around us. So what are the changes making around us? We are learning in this lesson, and we can do some practicals also in this lesson. Thank you, children.